Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to turn the YouTube comments on your YouTube channel on. So how to turn them on and show them to your viewers. Now the first step that you want to take is actually opening up your preferred browser and head down to youtube.com, as you can see right here. Now from there we simply are going to the top right corner where the YouTube Studio appears right here, and inside the YouTube Studio we're first going to make sure one thing is set to turn off. Now simply head down to the settings, and from there we go down to our channel, and inside our channel we go to the advanced settings. Now make sure that your channel is not set to kids. Now because if your channel is set to kids, you can see that the comments are automatically turned off. So make sure to set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that's made for kids, and press save. Now from there, let's say a certain YouTube video of yours isn't showing comments. Simply head down to the content and select the certain video. Let's say it's this one. Now from there we scroll all the way down till we head down to the comment section right here, the comment and the ratings. Now here you can press on manually if they are turned off, or if they're on pause, for example. And here you can simply press save, and then the comments will be shown on your video again. Now if you still get any other questions for this video, or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.